This is the SONOFF Zigbee Smart Water Valve Hydro 1 tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through pairing, installation, and controlling your new device. Inside the box, you'll find the water valve, a quick guide, installation instructions, thread seal tape, and a gasket. Start by holding both ends of the battery compartment cover and firmly pull out the battery slot. Prepare 4 AA batteries and insert them into both compartments of the battery slot. Press the battery slot back into the device until it clicks into place at the arrow. When you power on the device for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. You'll see the LED indicator flashing slowly. If it doesn't, just press and hold the button for 5 seconds to manually enter pairing mode. Open the eWeLink app on your phone and select Scan to scan the QR code on the device. You'll see 2 pairing options. Method 1, Zigbee pairing. Use the following SONOFF gateways for pairing. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your Zigbee gateway and wait for the device to be added. Method 2, BLE pairing. Use this when no Zigbee gateway is available, or if the Zigbee signal outdoors is unstable. You can connect directly to your phone in proximity mode to control irrigation and adjust key settings. Follow the app instructions to complete pairing. Once everything is set up, you can open the tap. For this demonstration, we've temporarily removed the water pipe for a clearer view. If the Zigbee signal is weak, you can still control the valve through a proximity connection to keep your irrigation running. Now, your Hydro 1 is ready to use.